Hey guys, episode 2, handmade versus mass produced. How can you tell the difference? Last time we talked, it was about what makes artisan craftsmanship so special. But in a world of mass production, how do you actually tell the difference? Today, I'm going to give you 3 simple, along with visual, ways that you can spot something that's truly handmade. So you don't have to be fooled. A factory made item will often look too perfect, too uniform, because it's mass produced on an assembly line. Feel the material. Authentic artisan goods use high quality, locally sourced materials. If a ceramic feels too light, if the leather item feels overly stiff, or if you have a wood piece, it lacks natural grain or texture, chances are it's not handmade. And finally, the story. Every artisan piece has one. Who made it? Where was it crafted? When you buy from a real artisan brand, you should know their names, their process, and their traditions. Mass produced items, they don't come with a story, just a price tag. So, guys, before I go, I wanted to share this book that was released by Nazio. The book is called The African Decor Edit, Collecting and Decorating with Heritage Objects. It's a great referral source for people that are interested and people that want to support craftsmanship and tradition.